Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Importance of Plants and Trees. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about describing words. Before this, in your Unit 8, Unit 6, I have taught you about describing words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again because we are going to learn further about use some describing words showing quality, size, and color. This is our today's SLO. So, what are describing words? As I have taught you in your Unit 6, do you remember what are describing words and where we place a describing word in a sentence? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that describing words are the words used to describe or give more information about a naming word, which could be a person, place, or thing. So, beta, we know naming word refers to a person, place, or thing. So, a word which tells us about a person or a place or a thing is describing word, right? And we use a describing word before naming word. So, how do we use it? For example, if I ask you, what is the color of this door? So, what will you say? This is a brown door, right? Now we know door is a naming word and brown is describing word which is telling us the color of this door. So this is how we use our describing word. Before naming word we use it, and basically this word tells us more about this naming word. So this describing word is telling us the color of the door, that's brown, right? It is a wooden door. Now this wooden is telling us the material of this naming word. And it is a new door. Now this word new is describing quality of this door. And what is that? It's new. So describing words tell more about nouns, means naming words. For example, the tiger has sharp teeth. So this sharp is telling us something more about teeth, and the cat has soft fur. This soft is telling about fur. So this is how we use describing words, okay? So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, teacher will show students cards or pictures. It is up to teacher. If you have flashcards, you can use it, or you can show pictures even from the book. And every card should have a naming word on it in written form, or it can be a picture. Okay, this is all up to teacher. And teacher will ask students about the color, size, and quality, like it's hard or soft, it warm or cold, etc. So students will keep using describing words to describe that object or the picture what teacher is showing to you. So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have learned many describing words. Now it's time to use them. It is question number 6 in your book. What you are going to do? We have given you a bank of describing words. You will use them to complete the sentences. Okay? So first one has been done. Second, I have dash legs. So you will look at the picture and you will find out which describing word is describing the legs of giraffe. Do you understand? So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have done it and you could find the correct describing words. Here is your homework. You will write 10 describing words and use them with naming words. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the concept of describing words, and we also learned the describing words show quality, size, and color, and we used these describing words. So we achieved our SLO to use some describing words showing quality, size, and color. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.